Here I have Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So to change ringtone, you will have to open settings, then go to the sounds and vibrations. Let me firstly disable this do not disturb mode, and here at the ringtone you can change your ringtones. You can select one of the preset ringtones. Here from this category you can select from the category Galaxy, from the category Calm ringtones, you have the Fun ringtones, and you also have this retro ringtones. You can also set your own song or melody as a ringtone by selecting file from your memory of your phone here. Or you can just set it on silent without any ringtone, but my personal favorite is this one. Beautiful song. And I'll just stay with this one, I guess. Yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.